Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find SP key or Spark coin wallet address on Binance. As you know, Spark just get listed on Binance and this is the chart. If you want to transfer your Spark to your Binance account, it's very easy. First, open your Binance apps, then go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is add funds here, you can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit. And then you can search here SP key, this one. Then you can choose the network. I will choose BNB Smart Chain because it's cheaper. And this is your Spark wallet address on Binance. You can copy it or scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.